Howdy, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Creating Change. You ever sit there trying to find that perfect gift, but your wallet says not today? Yeah, we've all been there. So today we're diving into how to use AI to find unique, affordable, and personal gifts that actually mean something. And I'm bringing in my buddy Tommy Kenyon to show us just how easy this tech stuff can be.
Thanks, Guy. If you've ever used Google, you can use AI. I'll show you a few quick tricks to make it do the hard part for you.
All right, let's jump in. I'm going to open up ChatGPT and I'm going to type, what is a unique $25 gift idea for someone who loves coffee and travel? Well, look at this. AI just it suggested a coffee passport journal where you can record the places you've tried different coffees and stuff from around the world. And that's actually pretty cool. I wouldn't have never thought of that on mine.
Here's a pro tip: the more personal you get in your prompt, the better the idea is. Try adding a few details like she's a nurse who loves cozy mornings and hiking. AI will instantly match that personality. It's like having your own creative assistant.
So basically, AI is like that one friend who's good at everything. Okay, we've got the gift idea. Now let's make it personal because anyone can buy something, but not everyone can give something that feels meaning. Let's ask AI. Write a short, heartfelt message to go with a coffee passport journal gift for my best friend who travels a lot. It says, every cup of coffee is a memory in the making. Here's to new adventures and warm mornings wherever you go. Well, come on, guys. That's beautiful. And it took like 10 seconds and sounds like I spent an hour thinking it up.
You can even ask AI to design printable cards or give you layout ideas for Canva. You can make a matching tag or gift label in minutes and it looks pro level.
So now you've got the idea and a message that hits the heart. Let's kick it up another notch. Let's make something. Hmm. AI just gave me an idea for a hot cocoa lovers kit. I'm going to run with it. Let's see what we can make for under 10 bucks. So, AI told me what ingredients to include, gave me a cute quote for the tag, and even helped me design a label. All I had to do was print it and cut it out. That's a creative win right there. It's simple, thoughtful, and looks like it came from a boutique.
If you want to go even further, you can ask AI to generate an image for your tag like a cozy winter mug or a cocoa art. It can even format it to fit standard label sizes for printing.
So, before we wrap this up, here are three more AI powered gift ideas you can try right now. AI print art. Ask AI to describe a custom image for someone you love. Then generate it and print it out. Boom. Personalized wall art. You can do a memory book. Use AI to help you write a little story or memory journal for someone special. It's meaningful and it's easy to do. You could do an AI recipe gift. Ask AI to create a cookie or cocoa recipe, print it out, and package the ingredients. It's both a gift and an experience. And here's your bonus. Ask AI for craft ideas using recycled materials. You'll be shocked at what you can make from stuff already around your house. So here's the truth. AI doesn't replace thoughtfulness. It helps you be more thoughtful. Whether you're broke, busy, or just out of ideas, man. It's like having a creativity spark in your pocket.
And you don't need to be a tech expert. Anyone can do this. It's all about asking the right way.
At the end of the day, AI isn't about taking human out of gift giving. It's about helping you be more human. It gives you ideas, it sparks creativity, and it helps you find ways to show people you care without spending a fortune or stressing out.
Exactly, and it's really as simple as asking the right questions. The more details you give AI, like who the gift is for and what they love, the better and more personal the results. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to be curious enough to try it.
That's right. Because when you mix creativity with technology, you get possibility. You can make something small feel huge. You can turn even a $5 idea into something that feels priceless.
And the best part, you might even discover how creative you already are. AI just gives you a little push to see it.
Man, I love that. So if the video gave you some inspiration today, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who you think could use a little creative spark. Because gift giving shouldn't be about how much you spend. It's about how much thought you put into it.
Exactly. And who knows, your next great idea might just start with one AI prompt.
That's the truth right there. Hey, thanks for hanging out with us today, and big thanks to Tommy for joining in. And until next time, my beautiful people, keep creating, keep caring, and as always, keep creating change.